Hello and welcome. My name is Viola. Today I would like to show you how you can request a new part from us. If a part is missing in your part management, first search for it in the universe. If this search also returns no results, or if a part is incorrect, you can of course quickly correct it or add the part yourself. However, we kindly ask you to contact us anyway, because we want our universe to grow exactly where you, our customers, need it most. That's why we added a feature in the universe that allows you to submit a part request directly. Up here on those 3 points, you can find the part request. For a new part request, please click the plus. If you need the part in a short and quick time, you will have to ask for a quotation. Otherwise, you have the possibility to get 10 to 20 parts per year for free if you're a plus or a premium maintenance contact. We try to deliver the parts within 14 days. If not, we will contact you and ask for further information if we need them. Please make sure to fill the complete part request. What type of request do you have? Do you want to ask for a missing part? For an incomplete or incorrect part? Or for a wrong part? If we ask for a missing part, please click the checkbox. Then please add the part to your request. For example, search for the manufacturer. If we do not have the manufacturer at all, please contact us and we give you the information you need. Please also add a part number. I just add an example. Then a product series. Please add all the information. Now you can see the part in here. You can still edit the part or add further parts to it. Please also make sure to give us the information in which format you need the datas. Of course, in your case, you will need the WSCAD data. Then please give us some information. Also, fill all your data for us, so we can contact you if any information are still missing. Now you can send the part request to us, or earlier you can add further parts to it and send then a complete list with missing parts to us. I hope you know how to get in touch with us whenever a part is missing or incorrect.